In a federal courtroom already fraught with racial tensions and high-stakes testimony, a dramatic exchange unfolded this week that reminded the public just how much appearances can still shape perception in America's legal system. It began as a routine pretrial hearing for Thompson versus Calhoun County Sheriff's Department, a civil rights lawsuit brought by three black plaintiffs alleging unlawful search and excessive use of force during a 2023 traffic stop. The plaintiffs are being represented by the Department of Justice's Civil Rights Division, which has launched multiple investigations into police conduct in the region over the past 5 years. Sitting quietly at the government's table was 36-year-old Andre Langston, a senior litigator with the DOJ's Special Litigation Section. Tall, composed, and dressed in a muted charcoal gray suit, Langston had traveled from Washington, D.C. to personally lead the case, one of several landmark civil rights suits he's helped bring to trial. But before the hearing could properly begin, defense attorney Kevin Breyer, representing the Sheriff's Department, turned to address the court. "Your Honor," Breyer began, his tone carefully measured, "I'd like to clarify the role of the individual seated at the government's table. It's not clear to me whether he's co-counsel or present in some other capacity. We've seen increasing activism from certain observers, and I'd like to ensure this individual's motives align with courtroom decorum." The courtroom stilled. Without flinching, Langston stood, retrieved his DOJ credentials, and stepped forward. "Your Honor, my name is Andre Langston," he said calmly. "I am a senior trial attorney with the Department of Justice, Civil Rights Division, Special Litigation Section. I am the lead government attorney in this case. My motives are to ensure constitutional rights are upheld under federal law." He then handed his badge and bar card to the clerk for verification. Judge Marina Doyle, a no-nonsense federal appointee with a reputation for fairness, glanced at the documents and nodded. "Mr. Langston's authority to be here is not in question," she said sharply, "nor should it have been. Let's proceed with the case." Breyer offered no further objection, but the exchange didn't end there. It exploded online. A local reporter tweeted about the moment, noting how a well-qualified federal attorney, who also happens to be a black man, had his purpose questioned before he even spoke. Within hours, Langston's name was trending nationally alongside hashtags like "Here's the Law" and "Rasuri Respect Federal Counsel." Civil rights organizations were quick to respond. Black legal professionals continue to face suspicion and disrespect in courtrooms across this country, said Michelle Raines, president of the National Black Lawyers Association. Even with a DOJ badge, they are still asked to prove their legitimacy. Langston, a Harvard Law graduate and Rhodes Scholar, has led high-profile DOJ investigations into unconstitutional policing practices in Louisville, Kenosha, and Baton Rouge. He's known for his calm demeanor, strategic brilliance, and unwavering dedication to justice, especially in racially charged cases. Reached for comment, Langston declined to focus on the personal slight. "This case isn't about me," he said. "It's about accountability. My role is to pursue facts and uphold the Constitution. If someone questions that, they're not questioning me, they're questioning the rule of law." Legal analysts, however, say such moments carry symbolic weight, especially when they happen in public, on the record. "What happened in that courtroom wasn't just procedural, it was revealing," said Dr. James Hendricks, a professor of law and race at the University of Mississippi. "It showed that even the highest-ranking legal minds aren't immune from being mistaken for outsiders." Langston's team proceeded to present a motion for expanded discovery into police body cam footage, citing missing files and time gaps. Judge Doyle approved the request. As the trial moves forward, Langston remains focused. But to many watching, his quiet assertion of authority in the face of doubt was already a victory. "Justice isn't just won in verdicts," tweeted one legal observer. "Sometimes it's won in standing your ground with grace."